And now no me down penny beshe Bukom boxing arena ho Ghana ne di share Isaac Dogboe. Wasanso ye na de ne biem. Wosi form wabra wachi Mexico ne di share de tin de Cesar Juarez. Abo ne fin from na we ye WBO super bantamweight belt ya fanu mienu epre ho nanso ekowi ase no na Isaac Dogboe wa kire ne bobre se wo gina ne naso pa round 5 mu ho na Isaac Dogboe ebo Mexico ni pokekra ya edi bibia eba wie.
And the Mexican is cautioned. Oh, that's an excellent left hook, and Juarez is down. Juarez is down. Excellent left hook. Konowik has stopped the fight. It's over here at the Kumkum Bhagya Arena.
Na we kire se entoko baako du nwotwe ya Isaac Dogboe wo gina mu no ondi ncho baako krada ni nyina odi mu nkunim Dogboe akire die nti a o my Ghana enta na chi na won kontwe bodu amfiri wiem ama meboa ye boxing.
I feel great, you know, but as you all know, we still got bills to pay.